Hi guys, welcome back. I've been getting a lot of requests from the parents to make a simple recipe for the kids, and a lot of requests been coming to make masala chais, right? Step by step how to teach kids, right kids? So what we got here is we have taken 2 pieces of cardamom, 2 pieces of clove, pinch of ajwain, and a pinch of salt. Yeah. So this is quite simple, very simple how we're gonna make this, right? So we're gonna put this in here and we're gonna slightly rake the cardamom and cloves. There you go. So rule of the thumb is in the Indian chai is we normally put in 50-50, right? So if you're making 4 cups of tea, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put 2.5 cups of water, 2.5 cups of water, right? And we put it on the gas, and all these spices is going to go in like this, and we're going to let this boil, yeah? And remember, we are making 4 cups of tea, yeah? So in a 4 cup of tea, we're gonna put 2.5 cups of water and 2.5 cups of milk. Now you're gonna think, why is putting 5 cups when we're only making 4 cups of tea? Because water evaporates and the milk will evaporate too. So this is a very simple how we're gonna do it, right? So we're gonna let this boil. Like this. Now if you see, the tea has started to boil, the water started to boil, yeah? So what we're going to do is, we're going to add 2 tea bags, right? Because Indian tea is normally very milky, so what we're going to do is we're not going to put too many tea bags in there. So now if you look at here, it's boiling, so we're going to put 2 tea bags, right? So that's gone in. So it's boiling, let it boil, put it on the same. So it's boiling now, yeah? So what we're going to do is simmer the gas a little bit. Now I've simmered it, so basically is now the tea is brewing in that hot water. So get a spoon and stir it a little bit, yeah? Right. So let it brew for 1 minute. And put the gas a little bit up. Right. Let it have one big boil on it. So now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add milk, yeah? So you see how it's boiling? So the tea is brewing, all the spices are getting mixed, right? It's leaving all the essence inside the water. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add milk, right? Remember what I said? 2.5 cups of water and 2.5 cups of milk. 1, 2, and 2.5 cups of milk. Right? Now we're going to simmer the gas and put our milk in. There you go. You see the color? So now put the gas up. When you're making tea, make sure you stand near the pan. Don't go and start talking to your friends or your other sibling. Stand there. Make the tea with love. As you can see, it started to boil, yeah? So you just stir it so it doesn't come out of this pan. So keep on stirring and squeeze these tea bags with the side. Hold it side. If you don't like too much milk, then put less milk in it. But if you like more stronger tea, then you can add another bag if you want. But personally, I like it quite milky, because I'm from Punjab, right? And Punjab is a land of really fertile land, and there's a lot of milk there, right? And this is what people like to make teas and a lot of milk products. So now it's boiling. Simmer your gas. There you go. So now you leave it simmed for about 3 to 4 minutes, right? Here you go. Right, there you go. Your tea is ready. Look at that, after about 4 minutes, the tea is ready. Can you see this, right? How much water has been evaporated and milk? It was up till here. And this is why we put one extra. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna watch it. It's very, very hot, kids. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sieve it, right, and put it in this pot, and then we're gonna serve it, right? Right, guys. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put in some jug or a jar, right, where it's easy to pour it. Mums, I would request you, please supervise your children when they're making or cooking something, because it's very important, right? So health and safety must take in count, right? So there's tea bags in here. Let's take the tea bags out first, squeeze them and take them out. Put it on the side, and the reason why I put a spoon in here, because it's made of a glass, so we don't want glass to break. All the heat will be absorbed by the spoon, yeah? So let's put it in here. Okay, kids, this is done. So now we're gonna pour it into the cups. If you make mess, please clean. Don't let your mom to clean it, right? So clean your mess, whatever it is you make. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put tea in here. One, two, three, four, and we still got some in here. There you go. So 4 cups of tea is ready. Let's clean our mess. I'm quite messy too. Right, now, tea is ready. So I have not put any sugar in. So sugar you can add it at a later stage. Ask the people in your family how many sugars they take. 1 spoon, 2 spoon, serve them. Always serve tea with tea, biscuits, cakes and some Bombay mix. So it's quite nice. It goes really well with a cup of tea. So kids, make a nice cup of tea for your mom. Thank you for watching, and I see you soon with my new recipes, easy recipes, how to impress your mom and dad. Thank you. Bye for now.